Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's World. I'm out here, wanted to show you what I've been up to. About 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, I bush hogged this area. I was finally able, you know, it's wet back in here. I was finally able to, it dried out just enough that I could bush hog it. And then I brought the mower in and cut it even shorter. Then the next day, I got up early in the morning and I had piles everywhere. I raked up the grass in the piles, and I utilize this in the garden and other places. You can never get enough grass the way I garden. But anyway, I just wanted to show, and sorry for the wind, it just started blowing a little bit. I wanted to show this. I built sides up for my gorilla cart. Where I can take 3 separate pieces off. Just some plywood slats, 3/4 plywood that are 2.5 inches wide, and they stick out about, go down in this about 2 inches. And these are 2 foot tall. I already had all the wood. This is scrap wood I had. It's been working out really good. I don't have to make as many trips. I can fill this thing all the way up to here, which is what I've been doing. This is will be my 3rd trip. I might be able to get the rest of these piles, I don't know. But I'll get these loaded in here, then I will take you up to the garden and show you what it looks like up there. Okay guys, a few minutes later, and I have another load to take up to the garden. Looks like I'm gonna have to make one more trip. No biggie. It's okay. So this will make a total of 4 trips. So I'll take you up to the garden and show you up there. Okay guys, I'm up the garden, and so what I do is I just unhook that and hand pull it in here. I was up here yesterday and I cut the grass in about half of it. That grass was that tall, at least 1.5 foot to 2 foot tall. In here again, we just had so much rain, it's growing like crazy in here. Anyway, I finished that up, and then I started picking that grass up and bringing it in here. So here's 2 piles. Actually, I try to spread it out because I don't want one big pile, because I don't want that thing catching on fire, and piles like that will get hot. So I'll have to watch that. Then I'm going to put another pile down there in that corner. Here my grapes are making a comeback, kinda. I come up here also the other day, a couple days ago, and I almost was too late to put these tomato cages. You know, I only had 13 cages. I only had 13 of these rods, and I had exactly 13 tomatoes. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, the tomatoes are looking great. You know guys, I don't use fertilizer in my garden. You see how good everything looks? No fertilize. These things have just taken off. I do have a barrel of homemade fertilizer, and I'll probably start applying that. I dilute it, but that's just made out of weeds and comfrey in a big barrel. I got videos on that. The grass that I mowed, took it out of the grass catch bag, and I put it all around both rows of potatoes. Oh, and sorry for the wind, guys. I've got my cucumbers are coming up. There will be more seeds come up. I put like 6 seeds in each one. I got different kind of cucumbers in here, pickling and like a market. And then I bought these 2 plants. I put them there, and they have really taken off in just a couple of days. Need to come here and clean these weeds out of my thyme. Still have to pull a few weeds here and there. It's oregano, sage, basil's looking really good. Tell my wife about that. We harvested some parsley. My wife made some Italian meatballs. They were delicious with it. Yeah, I got some peppers to pick. Everything looking pretty good, guys. And I'll take some of that grass, and I'll put around these plants here. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Looks like I got some peppers I could pick over here too. That plant's just falling over because it's so heavy with peppers. I didn't have any cages to put around the pepper plants, so they'll just have to do what they do. That's all I'm going to show, guys. This is June 6th or 7th. It's Sunday. So have a great day. God bless, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.